Welcome to my channel. Let's learn English with stock news. Let's get started. Dow Jones Futures. Will stock market rally survive? Watch these key levels. NEO Zoom on tap. Dow Jones Futures rose solidly Sunday evening along with S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq futures. The stock market rally came under pressure last week, with the Nasdaq and speculative growth names hardest hit. Speculative. Done in order to make a profit even though there is risk that you may lose money. Tesla rival NEO and Zoom Video Communications report earnings Monday, but both big 2020 winners are well off highs, along with Tesla stock itself. Well off. Having a lot of or a number of. Dow Jones Futures rose 0.7% versus fair value. S&P 500 futures advanced 0.7% and Nasdaq 100 futures climbed 0.8%. The House passed the $1.9 trillion Biden stimulus plan Saturday, including $1,400 stimulus checks for many Americans. It also has a $15 minimum wage that can't be included under Senate rules for a budget reconciliation bill. A couple of moderate Democratic senators will play a key role in how large the stimulus plan ultimately is. Reconciliation. The process of making two opposite beliefs, ideas, or situations agree. China's official manufacturing purchasing managers index fell from 51.3 in January to 50.6 in February. The services sector gauge fell 1 point to 51.4. Oil resumes climb as traders look ahead to pivotal OPEC Plus meeting. Oil resumed gains, rebounding from the biggest drop since November, ahead of a keenly anticipated OPEC Plus production-setting meeting this week that will help to determine whether a scorching rally endures. Scorching. Very hot. Futures in New York rose above $62 a barrel in early Asian trading after losing 3.2% on Friday. The alliance, led by Saudi Arabia and Russia, meets Thursday and is expected to return some barrels to a market off to its quickest ever start to a year. But it's unclear how vigorously the group will act, with the Saudi energy minister calling for producers to remain extremely cautious. Jack Ma's end defies pressure from Beijing to share more customer data. Defy. To refuse to obey or to do something in the usual or expected way. Ant Group has shared just a fraction of its customer data with China's central bank, defying intense government pressure to hand over more information after it was forced to pull its record $37 billion initial public offering last year. The data dispute is the latest front in a fight between Beijing and the financial technology group founded by Jack Ma, the country's best-known entrepreneur, after officials halted the company's IPO days before it was set to list in November. Beijing's intervention followed a speech by Ma in which he sharply criticized China's regulators and state-owned banks. Vocabulary. Speculative. Done in order to make a profit even though there is risk that you may lose money. Well off. Having a lot of or a number of. Reconciliation. The process of making two opposite beliefs, ideas, or situations agree. Defy. To refuse to obey or to do something in the usual or expected way. Thank you for listening. Bye.